Sensibility and practicality define the 2002 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3.2-liter 6-cylinder engine, and load-leveling rear suspension maintains a comfortable ride. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as remote keyless entry, delay-off headlights, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, automatic dimming door mirrors, a roof rack, and leather upholstery. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Mercedes-Benz ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.